Let me show you the picture. Hey, and then you tell me. You tell me if I'm lying. Okay? I'll show you the picture yesterday, okay? And then you tell me if I'm lying. Let's see here.
How many blue f***ing Tahoes are there out there? Get the f*** out of here, bro.
Hang on.
You got a light?
Hey, check this out. How many blue Tahoes have the same license plate and sticker on them, bro? Right? So
that wasn't our car.
That is your car. I'm looking at it, man.
On July 16th, 2023, Kirkland Police Department officers responded to a retail theft at a Ross store in Washington state. The following day, the same vehicle was identified at a nearby Safeway, and officers moved to detain the occupants.
Unfortunately, I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Okay. Look, dude.
I'm out in a goddamn thing.
Okay.
Prove it. Hi.
Wow.
Short version is I was just walking in, just, you know, and I was actually just by their car, they parked right where you parked.
Okay.
I saw them running out, did not identify myself or anything, but I was right by the car. And he told me to get out of his way or he's going to shoot me. So I did get a picture.
Yeah. Okay. All right. And do we have video of them?
We've most definitely, I literally just got there.
Okay.
Yeah, come back to the office. I will,
sounds good. That's her, right?
I think so. It's 149. They may have already been in the store collecting stuff.
Is that him right there? Guy who comes from this side, walks across.
Yeah, I think so, yes. Yeah, that's him.
Hey man, I'm Corporal Das, Kirkland Police Department. Hey, I'm Corporal Das, Kirkland Police Department. You alright, come and chat with me real quick? Hey man, can you just have a seat on my bumper, please? Sure. Just turn around, put your hands behind your back for me. Hey man, you're just being detained right now.
What is he being detained for?
Both of you guys are being detained right now.
Me?
Okay? Yep.
What did I do?
Suck. Put your hands together. Hey man, put your hands together. Hey, fingers together, palms together. I'll pick up your cigarette, I promise. Drop your cigarette, palms together. Hey, I will tell you here in a sec. Put your palms together. Sir, don't.
Palms together.
No, they aren't. Put your palms together.
Get the f***ing things on, bro.
Hey, put your fingers.
What's up, man?
Interlace your fingers.
You still gonna f*** with me trying to f*** me, bro?
I'm not trying to
Fuck with me, bro. I can't get my f***ing palms together, bro.
Chill. I didn't. That's all you have.
Brandon, stop it.
Brandon, it's going to be real quick. We'll let you know what's going on, okay?
And then we're going to be out of these cuffs, right?
We're going to explain to you what's going on and why you're being detained,
I
okay?
didn't do anything.
Hey, man. Hey, right now you're being detained because your vehicle and you were involved in a theft yesterday at Ross here in the city of Kirkland. Okay? Okay. Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay. Anything sharp that's going to poke or stick me?
No.
Okay. Turn around, have a seat.
Can you my feet?
Yeah.
We just picked our friend up from the f***ing, we live in Everett.
I know.
You guys are f***ing nuts.
I'm not nuts, man. Cause
We live all the way in Everett, dude.
I know.
I was dropping my f***ing kids off at camp yesterday, bro. What the f*** you mean, bro?
Just let him talk.
Get the f*** out of here. Nah, f*** that.
Let him talk.
Chill.
You got me f***ed up, bro.
Not right now, man. I'm gonna read you
No,
these.
bro. You ain't gonna
Miranda as well.
shit.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. If there is time, talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. Now, before a hire lawyer, one be appointed to represent you before questioning you wish to decide any time to exercise these rights or not, answer any questions or make any statements. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
The threshold legal question is whether the initial stop satisfies the reasonable articulable suspicion standard established in Terry versus Ohio. The answer is clearly yes. Officers possessed a specific vehicle match. Same make, same color, same license plate, and a distinctive identifying decal. That is not a hunch. That is documented articulable suspicion 42-6. The constitutional floor required for an investigative detention.
Okay. All right, Brandon. Here's the deal. Yesterday, just go chat with her over there. Right now, right now you're detained and you're not free to leave.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're not free to leave, but you're not under arrest. I am detaining you.
For what?
Okay. So yesterday,
Yeah.
a male matching your description.
Can you get my lighter? Can I get my cigarette?
Yeah.
Hey, how many males rest my
Hey,
ponytail?
Chill.
Get the f*** out of here, bro.
Let me explain.
Let me explain.
Hey, I'm going to explain it all to you, but you gotta let me explain it to you.
Can I get my light?
Yeah.
I need a light. We're gonna have an issue.
Hey, I'm willing to work with you on this,
Sure, my man got a red
but
light
chill.
on.
chill.
Go, bro.
Hey, I will explain everything to you, but you gotta chill for me, okay, Brandon? Okay. Where's your lighter?
Bro, give me my light.
No.
Don't work. Give me my other one.
So you're saying you had this vehicle yesterday, it wasn't in the city at all? Your car?
No, I was dropping my kids off at camp.
Yes, it was in the city yesterday.
The car was.
Yes, because my friend, who's in the store right now, came here to get groceries.
Was he with your friend yesterday, or was it just your friend with the car?
It was just my friend in the car.
Your car?
No, it's not.
Whose car
It's
is
her
it?
car.
Her car. Okay. So you're saying that.
Get out of here, man.
Hey.
I ain't gonna
Hey, Brandon.
doing shit, bro.
Chill.
Always driving that car. You got me up.
Hey.
I'm a tattoo artist, bro. I do tattoos.
I appreciate that.
I get bread for doing with this right here on your arm. I look like it, and I'm not high, bro.
Hey, I'm not saying
I'm
you're
not high. Smoke weed, bro.
Chill.
Get out of here.
Chill. Hey, Brandon. Chill. Chill.
Give me my cigarette, my light, man.
Have a seat. Chill out. This vehicle was involved used in a theft yesterday, buddy, and that's why I'm trying to figure out whose car is it, because it was
Give
used.
me my light.
It was used in a theft yesterday. It was.
It's not a car.
Huh?
It wasn't using a theft yesterday. I can tell you that right now.
Okay. Let me show you the picture. Hey, and then you tell me. You tell me if I'm lying. Okay? I'll show you the picture yesterday. Okay? And then you tell me if I'm lying. All right? Let's see.
How many blue f***ing Tahoes are there out there? Get the f*** out of here, bro.
Hang on.
You got a light?
Hey, check this out. How many blue Tahoes have the same license plate and sticker on them, bro? Right? So
That
chill.
wasn't our car.
That is your car. I'm looking at it, man.
If it is, they got the wrong f***ing car.
Katie was driving yesterday, remember?
Chill. So right now you're being detained while I investigate this because the car was used in the theft. All right?
Can I get my light, babe?
Gurky, you got a light for him?
Yeah, but it won't light. I need a jump start.
Hey, why don't you go see if you can find him a lighter over there? She'll let you get a lighter. So you're saying you were in this car yesterday?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. You said you're dropping the kids off in Toledo?
Yeah, I dropped the kids off and this tattoos.
Okay. Not your car?
Yeah.
Hey, Gurky, why don't you stand with him real quick for me, okay? Yesterday, your car was involved in a theft here in the city of Kirkland. So let's go with you saying, hey, it's not him or it's not Brandon, it's not you. So who was it?
My friend that's in the store, probably. She took my car yesterday.
Okay.
I can't.
1, 2, 3, I'll take one more here, please.
I don't want, I'm not going down for something that she did.
Yeah, she did. And I'll tell you what. Well, he's giving me a bunch of lip. I'm going to show you the proof that it was your vehicle, okay? And you can tell me if I'm lying. How's that sound? Hey, is that your car with the around sticker and the same license plate right here? Yeah. So right now, you guys are my theft suspects, right? Until I know otherwise.
Well, she's in the store right now getting her medicine, but I don't want it to be known that I told that it was her, not me.
Okay. She a bigger gal?
Yeah.
Bleach blonde hair?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Babe, just hold on a second. Can we get out of the cuffs, please?
No, not until I figure out everything that's going on, okay? So, it was her and some other male, and you're saying it's not Brandon? Who was she with yesterday?
I don't know.
So you're saying that you load her your car,
Yes.
but
She doesn't have a car.
she doesn't have a car, so
And
you
she
load her
has
car.
kids, and so I sat at home with the kids because we got all the kids ready to go to camp yesterday.
She was with like a bigger, maybe Hispanic male, kind of like Brandon, but instead of like the nice, neat tail, you just had long hair just flowing down. Does that match the description anybody you know of hers?
No. And she didn't tell me she picked anybody up, so I honestly don't know. I was focused on getting my kids ready for camp. She said she needed to go get groceries. And I really need you to look at the footage because I was not present. And you can run my name. I've never been charged.
Well, I don't know if you were present or not because it's your car. You're saying it's your car, right? I saw 2 people in the store, but I saw this car take off.
Yeah, and he was not present
And he
either.
was not present.
She'll tell you
But
that.
she was.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
Well, if my car was here, obviously, and she came to get groceries, so it's a safe way she went to.
So it's a Hispanic female, heavier set, bleach blonde hair. Okay. And they're claiming that, oh, that's the gal who had the car yesterday. She's here getting medication, but she's saying that's the theft subject. That matches the subject more than this gal does, but he still matches a male. But she says, no, this gal will tell you that it wasn't this male. So I want to go grab her. Okay. And I have PT for at least her and maybe him, but I'm going to chat with her.
I'll go this door and we'll connect.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
My
Tonsillitis.
Well, I have paperwork.
So you just have to go get your prescription
I have
back?
to get these, yeah,
Okay.
I literally just got out of the hospital.
Okay.
Is
So,
that okay if you walk me over there and
so
get it?
two things real quick. One, you're being audio and video recorded.
Okay.
Second one, you were just so you know, not physically. You're part of a criminal investigation right now at this point. This is Corporal Ness. I believe he has a case with you.
Okay.
I'm Corporal Ness. Just before we go any further, I gotta read you a couple things here, okay?
You want to do it over there?
Do I want to?
Away from
Away from everybody?
Well, it doesn't matter, I guess.
Yeah, we'll just, yeah. Just to let you know, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be against
I'm
your
being
court of law.
arrested?
Right. This time, talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. Now, for a hire a lawyer, one be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. Exercise his rights, not answer any questions or make any statements.
Oh, wait, I'm going to put in my purse.
The male subject was handcuffed and told explicitly he was not free to leave. Under Florida versus Bostick, the dispositive question is whether a reasonable person would feel free to terminate the encounter. No reasonable person in handcuffs, told they cannot leave, would believe otherwise. Custody was established at that moment. Miranda warnings followed. Under Miranda versus Arizona, warnings are constitutionally required prior to any custodial interrogation. The advisement here was substantively complete and timely. w.lawn.com. Administered after custody was established, before questioning resumed. This is procedurally correct. However, the officer's repeated framing that honesty would determine whether the subject went to jail occupies a legally contested space. Under Washington Revised Code Section 10.58.030, confessions must be voluntary and free from improper inducement. Linking arrest disposition directly to a suspect's willingness to self-incriminate risks crossing from permissible negotiation into coercive inducement. The male subject declined to make incriminating statements, which is his absolute right under the Fifth Amendment. No adverse legal inference may be drawn from that silence.
Just gonna not touch your phone or anything right now until we
What
check.
is, can you tell me what's going on?
Right now
It's
you're
like,
detained because
I literally just got out of
yesterday
hospital.
you had possession of the vehicle that's out there. That's your friend's car yesterday.
I had possession of the car. Oh, you know, like I've been on my deathbed, right? Like,
I mean, deathbed or not, you matched the exact video footage of a theft that occurred at Ross yesterday in our city with that car and you talking to the loss prevention officer. I'm sure you remember it, so I just want you to be honest and tell me what happened.
talking to a loss prevention officer?
Yeah, on your way out. I don't think you realize it's loss prevention. So tell me what happened yesterday with all that.
Sir, seriously.
Yeah.
I honestly, I'm very ashamed right now. I don't really know what to say.
Okay.
But can I please at least get my prescriptions? Because if you're going to take me to jail, can I at least?
Yeah, we'll work through that, but talk to me about yesterday.
I just said I'm ashamed of what happened.
I know you're ashamed of what happened. So what happened to all the merchandise you stole from Ross yesterday? Is it still in the car?
This is just a lot right now.
I know it's a lot.
This is a lot. This is a long
Okay.
process.
Why don't you answer my question? Is there any merchandise that when you stole some like kid shoes and stuff? I get it. You probably got family and you're taking care of them. But where's that merchandise now? Is it in the car or is it at home somewhere else?
It's gone.
It's gone.
It's like, it's gone. Whatever you've seen, I don't know. I have 4 kids. They went to camp.
Okay. See, these are things I need to know, right? Right. I can understand people fall in hard times.
But it doesn't mean that it's right, right?
Right. That's right. And, I appreciate that you're being honest with me now. The next thing I want you to be honest with me about is who was with you.
I really need to pay attention.
Yeah. Well, we'll go get them. But who was with you yesterday? Was it the male that's out there right now? Was Brandon with you?
I don't know what to say.
Man, now it's time to be honest. We're looking for real honesty here, right?
I have 4 kids and I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Okay. So was it Brandon with you?
I don't even know him. I know my friend.
Okay. Who was the gentleman with you yesterday? Was it the gentleman out in the car with you today? Yeah. Is that a yes? Yeah. Can you just say yes to me?
I'm just scared. I'm scared. I have 4 kids. I'm scared right now. Okay, I'm sorry.
Right, but your honesty goes a long way with me right now, right? It's the difference between me keeping you in jail or taking you to jail or criminally citing you because you got medical issues, right? And 4 kids at home. But I need your honesty about everything that happened yesterday, okay?
Yeah.
So, the gentleman Brandon, guy with the
know
hair
him,
back,
yeah.
but he was with you yesterday. And he was the male who stole the items from the store, correct?
Oh,
Huh?
yeah.
Okay. And you also stole items from the store, yes?
I don't want to lie and get myself in trouble.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you? Okay.
Looks like yeah.
Well, I saw an ID in there.
Did you?
Yeah. Is that not what you... I thought it was an ID.
I'm shaking.
It's okay. Can I look?
I know
It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
People make mistakes and we learn from them.
No, it's not okay though. Give me a second. I just had to go pick up the pills. So. Here it is.
1 King 30.
I have to go get my pills. So.
All right, let's go get your pills, okay? My officer here will walk with you. You got it with her?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to go back out.
Yeah, I'll take her outside.
Cool. All right, I'll see you out there.
Are you guys taking him?
So, chat with your friend. She's under arrest too. My partner's in there with him. But she's advising that she, along with Brandon, were both in Ross yesterday. So,
Ross.
yeah, here in Kirkland. And they got stuff for the kids to go to camp. And that's what they stole.
Oh no.
Clearly, she and Brandon were both in on this yesterday. So, clearly, you're not the person I'm looking for. So, I appreciate your honesty with me. Appreciate her honesty. I'm going to talk to Brandon, but right now, Brandon's going to be under arrest for the theft as well. Okay.
Of here and somewhere else?
Of here? Did he steal anything from here?
No, I thought that's what we were in the parking lot from, stealing from Safeway. They were.
No. Yesterday, your car's involved in a theft at Ross.
You didn't. Yeah, you didn't say that. You said Safeway.
I said Safeway. I thought it was Safeway.
Yeah,
No worries.
yeah, I told him yesterday. So it sounds like they got shit for the kids to go to camp. So I'm going to go chat with him, and then she unfortunately got all these medical stuff, looks like, so she might not be coming with me, but we'll figure that out as well, okay? She might have stuff. We might still take her in to get fingerprint photographed, but release her today just because of her medical issues.
Can he get released today too?
He lied to me. So I'm going to go chat and give him a chance to be honest with me.
Okay, I'm going to tell you something right now. Like I told him, he does not have a good background of police being nice, okay?
I
Racial
get that.
profiling, racism, it's...
Well, but today he's already lied to me because he did commit a crime, and he was the one who committed the crime in our city. So he had this chance to be honest with me then about it, right? So, okay.
Yeah, but he doesn't need to go to jail either. He's on Suboxone, okay? He's out of his meds. His appointment's tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. If we miss that, he's screwed.
Well, we'll go chat and we'll see how honest he is with me. Okay.
Because he's not going to be honest.
I'm going to lay it out in front of him and then go from there. Now's your chance to be honest with me here because I had a lengthy conversation with her in the store, right? The gal who was also involved in this theft yesterday, right? And
wasn't involved in shit.
what do you think she told me about the theft yesterday?
I don't think she was involved in shit either.
Okay.
What the f*** you guys are talking about? Probably got the wrong cars on.
Okay. If you're not going to be honest with me and given this chance here, then today you're going to jail.
Be honest for what? What do you want me to do?
About the theft yesterday.
You want me to say I broke the law so you could take me to jail? No.
I already know you broke
I'm
the
not
law,
gonna
Brandon, but...
say shit. You got me f***ed up. You got the wrong f***ing car. Leave me the f*** alone. Leave me out of it.
Let's pull him out searching. All right, Brandon, you're under arrest yesterday for theft.
You.
Okay? Because you committed a theft yesterday here in our city. So, step out. We're going to patch you down here.
You want me to admit to some shit?
I do.
So that's fucking no.
Okay.
Babe, give me my phone and shit. I'll be calling you. Tell me to f out. Whatever. This bullshit.
I just get fingerprinted photographs this week.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. You gonna write me a f***ing ticket. There's my ID if that's gonna happen.
Shut up.
Yeah.
And they're honest, right?
The female subject was separately contacted inside the store. A second Miranda advisement was administered before questioning began. This is the correct procedure for a second suspect in a separate contact. She was not obligated to answer questions. The legally optimal decision would have been to invoke counsel under the Sixth Amendment before speaking. She did not. Her gradual admission, confirming both her own involvement and the male subject's presence during the theft, constituted a voluntary statement admissible under federal evidentiary standards. That statement supplied the probable cause for the male subject's arrest. Under Illinois v. Gates, probable cause exists when the totality of circumstances would lead a reasonable officer to conclude a crime was committed by this person. Vehicle identification, photographic evidence from the prior day, and a corroborating eyewitness statement satisfy that standard. The arrest was constitutionally sound. Washington Revised Code Section 9A 56050 defines theft in the third degree as theft of property not exceeding $750 in value, a gross misdemeanor. Warrantless arrest authority is governed by Washington Revised Code Section 10, 31100, which permits arrest without a warrant. When probable cause exists for a felony, or when a misdemeanor was committed in the officer's presence. Neither condition precisely applies here. The offense occurred the prior day, outside the officer's presence. The arrest relies entirely on probable cause, which, as established, was legally sufficient. The two subjects received materially different dispositions. The female was booked, fingerprinted, photographed, and released the same day. The male spent the night in jail. This differential outcome is legally permissible. American courts have long recognized law enforcement discretion based on cooperation level, WW, provided that discretion is not applied on the basis of a protected class. The male subject referenced a history of racial profiling during the encounter. That allegation is not adjudicated by this footage alone, but it is a documented statement that warrants institutional attention.
Like, look, hey, man.
Honestly,
Hey, listen to me. Hey, Brandon. Right.
please, nigga, you got me f***ed up.
Look, dude.
I'm not admitting to a goddamn thing.
Okay.
Prove it.
Okay. Well, see, your partner here told me the truth and told me exactly what happened and why. That you guys needed stuff for the kids' camps, which I can understand, right? If you're not making as much money.
It is what it is, bro. I'm not
But-
gonna snitch. I'm gonna snitch myself.
Okay. All right. Well, right now you're booked into custody for theft. That's what's happening today. No, it's too late now.
Yeah.
I gave you a chance to be honest, and you told me that
Whatever, bro.
you
I'm
lied.
like, yeah, these are the goes arounds the police play with motherfuckers to take
No,
them to jail,
dude,
bro.
you lied with me,
Whatever.
man.
Get the f out of here
You
and take me
lied.
to jail, then,
Why'd
bro.
you lie?
Fuck you, dog. For real, man.
Like, it's
Don't
so
play
obvious
games
it's your
with me.
car.
Don't play games with me. There's hella fucking cars like that.
Not with a sticker that says
Other
find out
niggas like
with the
that.
same
What the
license
fuck
plate,
ever,
buddy.
bro? Whatever. I'm not gonna argue with you, bro.
I mean, you are.
I gotta argue with my fucking kids.
Okay. All right. Which car is yours?
Got any more warrants?
Yeah, you got one out of Everett for criminal trespass.
Yeah,
but
so you
I'm not
know
worried
I'm going
about
to jail.
that. No, Everett doesn't usually mean other warrants. So I'm not worried about Everett warrants.
In criminal trespass.
Yeah,
That's
that's
another
I'm not.
one. Another fucking punk ass cop I had to fucking deal with for fucking walking my dog to get a fucking soda.
Wait, let me in your
Trespassing.
Is he released?
No. He had his opportunity to admit and be honest instead of lying from moment one when I contacted him. Right? He's still claiming this car wasn't even the car. You saw the picture.
Yeah.
You know it's the car. Right? It's the most evident car with a F around find out sticker on it. Calvin, you mind doing the transport for me?
I'm sorry.
Corporal Desker and Corporal Ness receive a B. The pre-contact investigation was methodical and well documented. Miranda was administered correctly. No excessive force was used. However, the honesty for leniency interrogation framing introduces downstream voluntariness risk, a tactically effective but legally imprecise approach that could draw suppression motions in future cases. The male subject receives a C+. His invocation of the right against self-incrimination was constitutionally valid. His physical compliance prevented the encounter from escalating. However, his continued alternative explanations, rather than a clean invocation of silence, created a record of statements that could not withstand the weight of the photographic and testimonial evidence against him. The female subject receives a B+. She did not make false material statements. She cooperated voluntarily after Miranda warnings. Her outcome reflected that cooperation directly. The legal cost: her statement provided the probable cause for her companion's arrest, a consequence she may not have fully understood at the time of speaking. The Kirkland Police Department receives a B-. Investigative technique and use of force restraint were commendable. departmental policy on interrogation voluntariness standards, warrants review to reduce civil litigation exposure. 3 lessons emerge from this encounter. First, silence is a right, not a tactic. The male subject attempted to out-argue documented evidence. A clean, immediate invocation of the Fifth Amendment would have been strategically superior to sustained denial. Second, cooperation has legal consequences beyond the cooperating party. A voluntary statement made by one suspect routinely supplies probable cause sufficient to arrest another. Anyone in a joint criminal investigation should understand this before speaking. Third, the voluntariness of a confession is not determined by whether the suspect believed they had a choice. It is determined by whether the law considers the circumstances coercive. That distinction matters enormously in suppression hearings. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.